Ma, chai luar ni ni, chai real jello. Ubi jal cuma tete ko arsiwa.
Happala Boli purwa.
Appla boli, inde.
Angil Pappadavada, Engila purwa.
Puro.
Happala Boli or Pappadavada. Pappadavada is a very famous evening snack among Kerala Konkanis. This is prepared using Kerala pappats and so very tasty and remains fresh for a long time. Of course, if your family members allow. Very popular with aunties for generations, as festival season and temple festivities draw near, this will be made in large quantities to be served to all the guests who eagerly relish it. Since this is a very simple and tasty one. To prepare this, I am spreading out the Kerala pappats on a plate to keep out in the hot sun until the pappats curl up like this. You may also place them on a hot tawa for a few seconds and then use. To make the batter for about 25 of these small pappats, I am using half a cup of fine rice powder. Do make sure that the powder is fine. You can also soak rice and grind to a fine paste as given by my friend and co-author Sandhya Bhatt in a KKAJ blog. Link is given in the description below. Next to add is a tablespoon of besan to give a smooth finish. Now add half teaspoon of haldi, then a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon of spicy chili powder, adjust according to your spice levels. Next, add a teaspoon of black pill or sesame seeds. You can also add white pill, but the black one gives more flavor. Now add half a teaspoon of jeera and a quarter teaspoon of hing. Add only a little salt as the pappats are already salted. Mix the powders well and then add nearly 3/4 cups of water. Mix well. It should just about coat the pappats and should not thickly coat it, as otherwise they will soften quickly. Mix to a consistency that is thinner than a dosa batter.
नमस्कार. आम्ही आता शेंच्या पसीच्या व्हिडिओज केले नसं ते सगळं तुम्ही व्ह्यू करून तीर्चयाയിട്ടും तुमगेला अभिप्राय सगळं घालता मी रांदूचे सगळं व्हिडिओज काढता ते सगळं लायक करून येल्पूतू एडिट करून घालता त्यावेळी आम्ही आमकां जाल्यार सपोर्ट तुम्ही दिला तर आमकां आनी व्हिडिओज करूं प्रेरणा मेळटली त्यावेळी तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी लायक करका तुमगे फ्रेंड्स आली शेअर करका सब्सक्राइब करूक सांगू काय
Heat oil on high flame and then reduce to medium. Now dip the dry pappats one by one in the batter. Tap the sides to remove excess batter and drop in the hot oil. I'm adding 3 small ones at a time. Fry the pappats at a time as per the size of your kadai and quantity of the oil used without crowding them. Turn the papads frequently and let it cook well on both sides. Remember to sun-dry the papads, else they may puff up in the oil and it would not be crispy once it is fried. Remove them from the oil when it turns golden brown. Please avoid frying it for long as it may turn black in color. Cool and store the pappadavadas in an airtight container. Enjoy them along with your evening tea or coffee. If you like this video, do share and subscribe.